Hey lovelies, welcome back to another weekly tutorial. My name is Blessing Osuri Octavia, and in this video we're going to learn how to make a kimono jacket with a cut together sleeve and band. If this is your first time I'm coming across it on this space, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment and turn on post notification so yeah, you'll be notified when we post new content. Let's get right into it. So I folded my fabric into two. I folded at 18 inches. Okay, that's 1 yard for the front and another 1 yard for the back. I start by marking my back piece first. So this is me, have my mark my shoulder to bust, under bust, half length and the length of my kimono to my hip, then the length of my kimono, and included a 2 inch allowance for hemming. Then, as we all know, kimono is not supposed to be tight, it's not supposed to be body hugging. So you're going to include ease. Your ease now depends on how much fabric you have and how free you want your kimono to be like. So at the chest point, I do my round bust plus 1 inch ease, then plus 1 inch allowance like that. I do the same for my waist part, ease round my waist, ease, then 1 inch allowance. I do the same for my hip, round hip, 1 inch ease and 1 inch allowance. I connect all my lines together like that, and from the hip line I extend it straight down to my hemline. Then for the sleeve I used 10 inches from my shoulder like that, you see me, then connect the lines to the outline that we already have like that. So easy peasy, you cut. For the neckline I used 3 inches by 1.5. So after cutting out the back piece, I place it on the front. Now the difference between the front and the back is we are going to exclude the total neckline of the back. So this is me folding out. Remember I said I used 3 inches wide with 1.5 inches. So I'm folding out the 3 inches like that and cutting the same outline for the front. So that part where I folded out is going to be replaced by a band. Thing I did was to slash it open, which is the front piece. Slash it open and we now start sewing. So you arrange your, I lay down my back piece, then I now arrange my front piece on it. So you sew shoulder to shoulder on both sides and so that the center front is still open. Next thing I want to do is to incorporate this fabric as the band for the neckline and also for the design on the sleeve too. So I cut out a 2.5 inch wide, 2.5 inch wide band. I cut two of it. I join it at the center and make sure that the joining at the center is fixed at the back. Okay, we don't want your joining to show in between. So when I cut two pieces, I join it to make it longer and make sure that the part where it's joined is at the center back of my kimono jacket. So now the next thing I did was to I first pinned the band around from the top of the jacket round to the other side. So that's how you go to your sewing machine and you sew just like that. After sewing, this is what I have. You take it to your interlocking and make sure you weave the raw edge. Same thing with the sleeve part as well. So when you're done doing that, you close up the sides and give your jacket a good press. After sewing, this is what I have, and easy peasy. I hope you try this out and leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.